Hello mga guys, what's up? Ngayong araw na ito ay ating
moments later.
So yung una kong pinuntahan dito guys ay ang Wildcats section. Dito po yung mga lion, yung mga cheetah, saka jaguar. Hello! Hello! Hey, what's your name? Hello? What's your name? I think ano to guys? I forgot the name.
Gago!
Ito pala guys ay Black Panther. Black Panther.
No.
So guys, this is I think lion. This is a female lion. Yan siya oh. Look at her guys. African lion. Wow! Wow! Yo, come here. Come here, African lion. The other guy is sleeping. The female lion is sleeping. See? He's so huge. He's very big. Ayan, look at them guys.
Ano swerte? Huwag kayo maniwala sa swerte.
Ayan guys. Marami na po yung mga muscle dito. Ayan guys oh. Ang dami, biglang dumami yung yung mga bata. Oh, natuwa sila sa lion, grabe.
Stop!
Grabe. Ang mga bata dito nag-enjoy.
Stop!
Dito sa lion cage.
Sabi ko na stop!
So yun guys, last time di namin napunta yung lion. Di ko yan siya nakita. Ngayon ang ganda ng laki niya oh. This is a third
What?
Lion King.
Oh, what are you
King of the jungle. Oh yan. Ayan guys. Yan, gusto niyang kastahan. Ayan. He wants to mate with her. But the female is not ready yet.
Sana all.
So guys, first time I've ever seen this kind of animal. I came face to face with the lion. Ayan. So guys, this is very amazing, no? First time I ever seen a lion as big as like this. You know, I only watched them in the movie. Now I saw them on my own very eyes. Look at them, guys. So I'm here, guys, in the cheetah. See? The cheetah is playing. Also, first time I've ever seen this kind of animals. This cheetah. The fastest animal in the world. Yan, guys. Yan siya, guys, oh. I think, bata siya ng cheetah. Ayan, oh. Yan, naglalaro siya mag-isa. Grabe. Yan, ngayon ko lang talaga makikita yung mga animals na mga exclusive lang sa African jungle yung makikita. Ngayon, nandito siya sa Qatar. See? She's very lovely. Yan. Look at her, guys. I was amazed by this kind of animals. First time I saw her. So she's very sexy while walking. Now let's go to the monkey area. I want to see my family. And guys, gusto ko makita yung family ko nandito. So guys, I'm here in the monkey area. I want to see my long lost brother. Hello. Hi. How are you, my brother? Look at them, guys. They're
One hour later.
It's very nice to be here watching the animals like the monkeys, you know. It's so amazing.
I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure to hit the subscribe button. We'll try to upload 2 videos a day. And please help and support my channel.